Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what is going on in the NQ. I do want to remind you that you can use the NQ to trade the NDX and QQQ. So it's very important to know what's going on in the futures contracts because they are 24/7. Sunday evening till Friday afternoon. So here's what we've got going on. Of course, we are bouncing from this original zone, 12,698 to 745 on the daily. And if we take the more recent high to the more recent low, we get our target at 13,837 and 14,138. We've been through most of the resistance already, but we can see more swings inside of a swing on the 120-minute chart. So that is what I'm showing you now, even though the high to low is the same and we still have the target of 13,837. We can also look at the target of this inside the swing, which is a smaller swing. And the target off of that is 13,575. So I want you to be aware of that because that is not something that you're going to see on the daily. It's only something that you're going to see on the 120-minute chart. And that is why we run different time frames in our room. Let's see if there's anything left from that swing inside a swing or this swing inside a swing. Okay, no, there is not. But I want you to please be aware of the different time frames when you're trading because there are different targets and there are different things that are going on. All right, everybody, I hope you are having a wonderful evening so far. And we will look forward to seeing you in the Fibonacci room tomorrow. If you are not in there, please come and join us every day. And I hope you have an awesome rest of the week. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.